Subclass 858. Global Talent Visa. This is a permanent visa for people who have an internationally recognized record of exceptional and outstanding achievement in an eligible field. Following are the eligibility criteria for Visa 858. Be of benefit to the Australian community. Your contribution may be economic, social, cultural, or to raise Australia's academic, artistic or sports standing internationally. You must contribute to the nation as a whole. Have the ability to establish yourself in Australia. You must demonstrate that you would be able to find work in your field in Australia or become independently established in your field in Australia. Be internationally recognized with a record of achievement. You must be internationally recognized with a record of achievement in your profession, a sport, the arts or academia and research. Be nominated. You must be nominated or endorsed to apply for this visa. Your nominator must have a national reputation in the same field as you and be an Australian citizen, an Australian permanent resident, an eligible New Zealand citizen or an Australian organisation. Be this age. You can be any age to apply for this visa. If you are under 18 years old or are 55 years or older when you apply, you must be of exceptional benefit to the Australian community. Have this visa. If you are outside Australia at the time you apply, you do not need to hold a specific visa to apply for this visa. Have functional English. Applicants aged 18 years and older at the time of application must provide evidence of having at least functional English. Meet our health requirement. You and any family members who apply for the visa with you must meet our health requirement. Meet our character requirement. You and family members aged 16 years and over who apply for the visa with you must meet our character requirement. Have paid back any debt to the Australian government. You or any family members, including those who don't apply for the visa with you, cannot owe the Australian government money. Any debt to the Australian government must be paid, or you need to have an arrangement to pay it back. Sign the Australian Value Statement. If you are 18 years of age or older, you must have read, or had explained to you, the Life in Australia booklet and confirm you will respect the Australian way of life and obey Australian laws when you sign an Australian Value Statement. Not have had a visa cancelled or a previous application refused. You might not be eligible for this visa if you have ever had a visa cancelled or refused in Australia. Check if visa cancellation affects your eligibility. Our team is dedicated to simplifying the application process, making it easier for you to succeed.